Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a unicorn plushie, and here it is. I can't believe I made this pattern and made this plush. Like, what? I had actually made a unicorn plushie about a year ago, and seeing the improvement of just a year like astonishes me. I can't even believe it. So this is the unicorn I made about a year ago. And at the time, I was so proud of this plushie, but now looking back at it, like, it's amazing how much my sewing has improved and the type of templates I make has improved, and just, it's amazing to me. So if you are, currently struggling with your plushies and you're not happy with how they're turning out, keep practicing. Like, practice makes perfect. You definitely will get better at it. So just keep going, working at it, and you will get better. So this was the one I made about a year ago, and then this is the one that I have made now. I'm thinking of making another video where I show the improvement on my plushies throughout the years. I've been posting some pictures of these on my Instagram, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, go check it out. I post there and there pretty frequently, or at least I try to. I definitely post more frequently on there than on YouTube, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, go check that out. Anyway, I'm getting way off topic. I made this unicorn plushie with white fleece and pink felt, and that's what I used to make it, but you can use any type of material you want. I'm just letting you guys know because I know people like to know what materials I'm using in case you want to make yours look, just like this one or very similar to the one that I'm making in the video. To decorate my unicorn, I had put glitter glue on the horn, around the mane, the tail, and around the hooves. And then I glued on these little flower decorations. You don't need to decorate your unicorn this way. This is just how I did it. And of course, I'll be showing you how I decorated it this way in the video. But you can decorate your unicorn however you want. You can put beads on the unicorn. You could put more glitter glue on it. You could put bows. You could put flowers. You can put whatever you want on it to decorate it however you would like. As always, the template for this plushie is down in the description box, so be sure to go down there, find the template, print it out, so you can get started with your unicorn plushie. The first step is to cut out all of your pieces, and they're all laid out right here. So you have all of these white pieces for the unicorn body, these two white pieces for the ears, these two pink pieces for the tail, these two pink pieces for the mane, all of these pink pieces for the hooves, and this pink piece for the horn. Take one of the body pieces and one of the pieces for the legs, and then 4 of the pink hooves, and then you're going to attach the hooves onto each of the white pieces just like this using the back stitch. So you're going to take the white piece and the pink piece, and you're just going to line them up next to each other like this. And then to do the back stitch, all you're going to do is make a stitch, pull, go backwards, pull, make another stitch, go back again, and you'll just continue doing that to the end. After sewing the hooves onto one of the body pieces and one of the leg pieces, you're going to do the exact same thing with the other body piece and leg piece, but you're going to make them mirror images of each other. Next, you're going to take one of the leg pieces and this piece, and then you're going to use the back stitch and sew them together along this end. Then take the other leg piece and sew it to the other side using the back stitch again. This is what the piece will look like up to this point, and then next you're going to take one of the body pieces and place this piece right on top of it, and then you're going to sew together 2 of the legs using the back stitch. After sewing 2 of the legs together, you're going to do the exact same thing with the other 2 legs. So to do that, you're going to take this piece and fold these 2 legs down, and then you're going to take the body piece, place it on top so that the legs align with each other, and then sew the 2 legs together the exact same way. This is what the unicorn plush should look like to this point, and the next step is to use the back stitch and sew all the way around here, and I'm going to be sewing around there and then around here, and I'm going to be leaving this part open. Next, you're going to turn the plush inside out. After turning the plush inside out, you're going to fill up the body, the legs, and the front of the face with stuffing. Then you're going to use a marker and put 2 marks on the plush where the eyes are going to go. Use scissors to make small cuts where the dots are, and to do that, all you're going to do is fold the material like that, And then you're going to take some scissors and make a small cut. And you'll do the exact same thing for the other eye. Take a plastic eye and then put it through the hole. And then you're going to take a plastic backing and use it to attach the eye onto the plush. And then you'll do the exact same thing for the other eye. After attaching the eyes, fill up the rest of the plush with stuffing and then use the ladder stitch to close up this hole. If you're not familiar with the ladder stitch, it's a super easy stitch to do. All you're going to do is take your needle and make one stitch like this and pull, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. And pull. Same thing back on this side. Pull. And then you just continue doing that. Using tacky glue, attach the two tail pieces together and then do the same thing with the two main pieces. After gluing the tail and the mane together, you're then going to take some glitter glue, which I'm going to be using this tube of purple glitter glue right here. And you're going to put the glitter glue around the rim of the tail, and then you're also going to put it around the rim of the mane. After the mane and the tail have dried, you can take the mane and you can hot glue it onto the unicorn plush right here, and then you can hot glue the tail right there. To sew the ear, you're going to take this piece and fold it in half, and then you're going to use the blanket stitch to sew this part together. To do the blanket stitch, all you're going to do is make a stitch, pull, go through the loop, and then pull all the way. So to show you that one more time, you'll make a stitch, go through the loop, and then pull. You'll sew the other ear together the exact same way. To sew the unicorn horn together, you're going to take this piece and then you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to use the blanket stitch to sew this side together. Fill up the horn with a little bit of stuffing, and then you're going to use the ladder stitch to sew it onto the unicorn right here. To use the ladder stitch to attach the horn onto the unicorn, all you're going to do is make a stitch through the horn, pull, make a stitch through the unicorn, pull, make a stitch again through the horn, pull, and you'll just continue doing that all the way around. Next, hot glue the ears onto the unicorn. Next, you can glue on cute little accessories onto the unicorn. So for some ideas, you can glue on some little bows, some flowers, or some gems. And for this unicorn, I had hot glued on these little pink flowers onto the mane and the tail. And for the unicorn I'm making for this video, I'm going to be hot gluing on these little pink bows. The last step is to take glitter glue and put it around the rims of the hooves and also on the horn. And once the glue dries, you will be all done with your unicorn plushie. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Remember, you can make the unicorn any color that you want. You can use any color glitter glue, any type of accessories. You can personalize it however you want to. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see any new plushie tutorials that I upload. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on making this little unicorn plushie and what color you plan on making yours. And I guess that's it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!